What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Major crypto news here. We need to talk about it. And this is how it begins. Excuse me. This is how it starts. Twitter to enable crypto and stock trading in a partnership with eToro. This is what we love to see, widespread adoption. And we knew that Elon and Twitter would be good for crypto. And we're starting to see the beginning here. This is how it starts, the beginning of what Elon has planned for the future of Twitter and the integration of digital payments and cryptocurrency and becoming more of a finance app. So, man, this is going to be exciting, guys. So check it out. Let me go this view for you. Boom. Just in, Twitter to enable crypto and stock trading in a partnership with eToro. CNBC is picking up this as well. Let's check out what they're saying here. Twitter partners with eToro to let users trade stocks as Musk pushes the app into finance. Now, just recently we talked about Elon kind of creating the everything app, right? This kind of one-stop shop for, obviously the town forum, which Twitter has always been, but also to transact with and have a digital wallet. And there are big plans here that Elon has, right? And it's exciting because crypto is right at the forefront of this next evolution of what he wants to do. So starting Thursday, today, Twitter will give users the option to buy and sell stocks and other assets from eToro. This, the company told CNBC exclusively. The partnership marks a rare deal for Twitter since Elon took the reins as CEO after buying the platform for $44 billion last year. Now, a lot of people said Elon was crazy for buying this platform for $44 billion. He paid too much for it. But think about this. He bought Twitter. Like, that is huge. He has Twitter, and he can do a lot of things with it. While they may not be making a ton of money now, it's not all about money, I think, with this particular purchase. It's more about grabbing hold of an app and doing what you want with it. And not just some app, an app that has a huge impact on people and how people communicate, how people get information, etc. Musk has made it his mission to turn Twitter into the so-called super app that offers users financial services on top of social media and information. So starting Thursday, this new feature will be rolled out on the Twitter app. It will allow users to view market charts on an expanded range of financial instruments and buy and sell stocks and other assets from eToro. Currently, it's already possible to view real-time trading data from TradingView on index funds like S&P 500 and shares of some companies such as Tesla. That could be done using Twitter's cash tags feature. Now, with the eToro partnership, though, Twitter cash tags will be expanded to cover far more instruments and asset classes. An eToro spokesperson told CNBC recently. You'll also be able to click a button that says View on eToro, which takes you through the eToro's website, then buy and sell assets on its platform. As we've grown over the past 3 years immensely, we've seen more and more of our users interact on Twitter, educating themselves about the markets. This is eToro's CEO. There is a very high quality content, real-time content on financial analysis of companies and what's happening around the world. We believe this partnership will enable us to reach those new audiences and connect better the brands of Twitter and eToro. And again, guys, I think this is just the beginning stages. eToro was founded in 2007 in Israel, and I think more and more platforms will come around to partner up with Twitter for these efforts in the financial sector. But this is massive news for crypto, massive news for Twitter in general becoming more crypto friendly. Think about all the people on Twitter who aren't yet into crypto. And now all of a sudden, these integrations that are slowly rolling out, everybody's going to be equipped with a wallet, making it easy, right? Making it easy for people to be in crypto, reducing all of those hurdles you have to jump to get in. This is going to be a huge opportunity that Elon Musk has in order to allow more and more people to adopt cryptocurrency, adopt blockchain tech, and see the benefits. I'm excited about where this is going, excited about this beginning, because this is how it starts, guys. This is literally how it begins. And now Elon's full mission is starting to slowly unravel a little bit. And he's said all along that, Twitter will be a payments platform. Could be very bullish for Bitcoin, could be very bullish for Ethereum, for Dogecoin, and some other cryptocurrencies. I think the entire sector, but we're going to have to watch and find out. We'll be bringing up to speed on all the latest. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below so you don't miss any updates like this. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.